Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on embeds links on your account on Discord on role settings. Easy and quick. First click here, now click settings, click roles, click here, now click permissions. Here as you see you will find here embeds links. Click on it and click save, and that's it. It will be saved, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.